how to enable 2FA in PayPal. In order to enable two-factor authentication in PayPal, open your browser and go to paypal.com. Click on the gear icon located from the top right hand side of the screen. This is of course making sure that you are logged into your account. Once you're here, from the navigation menu, just navigate to Security. From Security, you can see the option Two-Step Verification and click on the Setup button next to Two-Step Verification. There are various ways to use two-step verification. You could use an authenticator app, which is pretty common, and it will generate new codes within a minute. Or you can use a security key device, which is much more resistant to phishing. Whatever is much more comfortable for you, you can just select use an authenticator app, let's say, enter the authentication code that is given that you see in the authenticator app after you scan this, and this pretty much depends upon the authentication app you're using, like Google Authenticator, Proton Authenticator, Microsoft Authenticator, any type of authenticator app that you'd like to use. But to give you a basic idea, this is how you can turn on or enable 2FA within your PayPal account. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you soon in the next video.